Here is a possible blog post for your YouTube channel video on the topic AI in Cybersecurity: AI in Cybersecurity, How Artificial Intelligence is Changing the Game. Cybersecurity is one of the most important and challenging fields in the modern world. With the increasing use of digital devices, networks, and data, the risks of cyber attacks, data breaches, and identity theft are also growing. According to a report by Cybersecurity Ventures, cybercrime is expected to cost the world $10.5 trillion annually by 2025. To combat these threats, cybersecurity experts are turning to artificial intelligence (AI) as a powerful ally. AI is the branch of computer science that deals with creating machines and systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and decision-making. AI can help cybersecurity in many ways, such as detection. AI can help detect malicious activities, anomalies, and patterns in large and complex data sets. For example, AI can analyze network traffic, user behavior, and system logs to identify signs of intrusion, malware, or phishing. AI can also use natural language processing, NLP, to understand the meaning and intent of text messages, emails, and social media posts to detect spam, fraud, or propaganda. Prevention. AI can help prevent cyber attacks by strengthening the security of devices, networks, and data. For example, AI can use biometric authentication, such as face recognition or fingerprint scanning, to verify the identity of users and grant access to authorized personnel only. AI can also use encryption and blockchain to protect the confidentiality and integrity of data. Response. AI can help respond to cyber attacks by taking quick and effective actions to mitigate the damage and recover from the incident. For example, AI can use automated response systems, such as firewalls or antivirus software, to block or remove malicious agents from the network. AI can also use backup and recovery systems to restore the normal functioning of the system and data. AI is changing the game of cybersecurity by providing new capabilities and opportunities for both defenders and attackers. While AI can help improve the security and resilience of cyberspace, it can also pose new challenges and risks. For example, AI can be used by hackers to create more sophisticated and stealthy attacks, such as using deepfakes to impersonate people or using adversarial examples to fool machine learning models. Therefore, it is essential to develop ethical and responsible AI systems that can ensure the safety and security of cyberspace for everyone. If you enjoyed this blog post, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on AI and cybersecurity. Thank you for watching.